Hello everyone, thank you for joining Remote Sensing and GIS question and answer session series. In today's question, we'll see how we can able to mark a multi-ring buffer to point line and polygon. So I have some points here, which is showing village area, and I'm interested to mark a multi-ring buffer to this village area. Also, this is the road, and this is the some polygon area which is showing forest, and some area there is a water body and river. So what I'm interested, how we can able to mark a multi-ring buffer to all of this. So for that, what we can able to do, we just need to go to ArcToolbox. Okay. So here we need to click on this red box, that is ArcToolbox. After clicking here ArcToolbox, we need to go analysis tool. In the analysis tool, there is a proximity tool is there. In the proximity, there is a tool, the buffer. If you want to mark a single buffer, we can use this tool. But if you want to mark a multi-ring buffer, so we can use this multi-ring buffer. If you right click and if you click on the help tool, we'll get the more information about this multi-ring buffer. So this is the polygon. So we can mark a multi-ring buffer to it. Creates multiple buffer at a specific distance around the input features. This buffer can optionally be merged and dissolve using the buffer distance value to create a non-overlapping buffers. So this we can able to use. You can able to see where we can able to use this. So we can use in many areas. If you want to see from any city center, we can if you take this point as a city center, you can mark a multi-ring buffer to it, and you can get more information within 1 kilometer of this center city, how much area is coming. So now how to mark this? So just need to click on multi-ring buffer. Okay, so first we'll add this village point. We'll add village point and we'll give a specific distance. Suppose I want a multi-ring buffer at each 1 kilometer. So we'll give 1 kilometer distance there. Okay, so output feature means where you want to save this. I will keep it by default, and I will add a distance here like 1000 meter. You can add plus, after that 2000 meter. Okay, plus 3000 meter. So every 1000, 2000, 3000 meter I want and buffer. So you can select here meter. If you want in kilometer, you can add distance as per kilometer. So after that, just need to click on OK. So now you see we have added and multi-ring buffer to 1000, 2000, 3000 meter polygon. So like this, we can add a multi-ring buffer to this line feature. Okay, so just need to click on this multi-ring buffer. So add this, and we need to add this road. Okay, this road file. You can give output location, and I will give suppose 1000, 2000 meter and 3000 meter. Like this, you can add whatever the distance you want, and just select here a unit, and again we'll click on OK. So just need to click on OK. So this way we can able to add a buffer to line. Now we'll add a buffer to this polygon. So same way, just need to add this polygon here and specify the distance. Suppose you want in 500, and after that 1000 and 1500. Like this, you can add buffer. Select your unit, and all things are optional. You can save your file, and I will just click on OK. So how we can able to do these things in QGIS, that also we'll see. So this way you can able to do easily. You can use this technique in many places. Like if you want to know within 1 kilometer how many medical shops are there, so you will get the medical point data, and accordingly that you can mark a buffer to it. So this way you can also go to QGIS. So I have added this data in QGIS. So to mark a multi-ring buffer, so you need to select here. You just need to search here in processing tool. Here, from here you will get this processing tool, and from here you can add, just type buffer, Okay, you will see buffer and multi-ring buffer. So we want multi-ring buffer. I'll click on multi-ring buffer. So I'm interested to add to this polygon. So just select a polygon. So how many rings you want to add? 1, 2, or 3? Suppose I want 3. So you can add 3 here. And what distance you want? So 1000 meter or 2000 meter, you just select here. And where you want to save this file, you can give output location here. And I will just click on run. So algorithm buffer is finished. So I'll just close it. So now you will see we have added a multi-ring buffer to it. If you right click on the open attribute table, you will see the buffer distance to it. And if you right click, go to properties and symbology, we can select a categorize, select here distance, then color ramp, classify, apply, and okay. So this way we can able to mark a buffer to this polygon, what are the polygon we have taken. So accordingly that you can mark a buffer to point, line, and polygon, what are the things you want. So this way you can able to just select how many circles you want, and accordingly that you give distance and just click on run and close. So now you will see we have given a small distance. So here also you can able to get the our multi-ring buffer. So this way very easily we can able to prepare multi-ring buffer in ArcGIS and also in QGIS. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment sections. Thank you.